Hello and welcome back to Flavors from Nikki's Kitchen with Nikita Esther. It has been a long time, I haven't posted any video yet, but yes, we are back. So in today's episode, I am sharing the recipe of prawn sukha. So this recipe is a combination of prawns with all the basic ingredients which is available at your home, and it can be made very quickly. Now let's take a look at the recipe. I have taken 500 grams of prawns, so I have deshelled the prawns well and also washed it nice and clean. We'll begin with the marination process. So first goes in 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, that is turmeric powder. Next goes in some salt to taste. And finally we'll add 1 teaspoon of Garnicia extract or kokum extract. So if you don't want this, you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So we'll mix everything nicely. Okay, so this is done and now we'll rest it for about 30 minutes. The prawns are getting nicely marinated. Now let's see how to make the sukha gravy required for this prawns. I have heated 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. So once the oil is nicely hot, we'll add 1 onion which is finely chopped. So here I am using 1 big onion. And now we'll saute the onion till it turns into nice golden brown color. Okay, so this is done. To this I am adding 1 big tomato which is finely chopped, and now we need to saute this, the onion and tomato, for about 1 minute. Alright, so it has been about 1 minute. To this we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and saute it for another 30 seconds. This is done. To this we'll add 2.5 teaspoon of red chili powder and followed by 1 tablespoon of Malwani masala. So if you don't have Malwani masala, you can add any garam masala of your choice and we'll give it a mix. So if you feel the masala is getting dry, add 1 tablespoon of water. Please do not add more water to this and saute it nicely. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves. This adds a really great flavor, so do not miss this out. Awesome. Okay, so this is done. To this we'll add the marinated prawns. So the prawns have also rested for about 30 minutes. And we'll mix everything nicely. So make sure each and every piece of the prawns get coated by the masala well. We'll again add about some salt to taste and mix everything well. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of water. Do not add more water. Again give it a mix. And we'll close the lid and we'll cook for about 2 minutes. It has been about 2 minutes and you would notice the prawns have turned into nice round shape. So it means the prawns are cooked. Perfect. You do not need to insert any toothpick or anything to check if the prawns are cooked or no. Finally, we'll garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and switch off the heat. We'll now serve it in a bowl. Fantastic. So you would notice each and every prawns have been coated by the masala well. We'll finally garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And the prawn sukha is ready. So you can enjoy this recipe with whatever you like, that is chapati, roti, naan, or even as it is, it tastes really fantastic. So if you like this recipe, do give this recipe a big like. Also comment, share and do subscribe.